Hi guys, so today I am back with another YesStyle video. YesStyle did send me a few K-beauty products that they wanted me to try out and film a video for you all. So that is what I am doing. This video is not sponsored in any way. I did receive the products for free, but I'm not being paid to give my opinion. So I will be giving you guys my honest review of the products that I received and that I've been trying out for the past couple of weeks. I'm having a lot of fun collaborating with YesStyle on these videos. I think it's really fun and exciting to try new products that I otherwise normally wouldn't have purchased or thought to try out. Yeah, I'm very excited to be filming this video, so let's just go ahead and get started. The first product that they sent me is this hair pack, Repair Sleeping Silky and Shine, and I think it's from the brand Toso Woong. Everything's in Korean, so I don't really know what it says. This is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty pink packaging. I already threw the boxes away, so I think that those had instructions and a description of each item, but I pulled up the website on my laptop, so I'm just gonna read what it says here. So this is a leave-in hair mask blended with argan oil, sunflower seed oil, and royal jelly extract, which offers moisture and nourishment to dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, leaving it silky, smooth, and shiny. So based on the reviews on the website, what I've noticed a lot of people have been doing is just applying this as like a leave-in conditioner after they've washed their hair and it's sort of still damp. So that's what I've been doing. What I like to do is after I've washed my hair, conditioned it, and gotten out of the shower, I'll brush through it, apply like a nickel-sized amount of this product, and just put it on the ends of my hair. I haven't gotten a haircut in like 3 years, I would say, so my hair is pretty damaged, and I also dyed it black recently, so it's just really dry and brittle, especially towards the ends. So I've been concentrating this product on the ends of my hair because I have a lot of split ends, and I've noticed a really big difference. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks really shiny right now. I don't really like pay any special attention to my hair. I just dye it when I want to, cut it when I want to. I don't like put in any special products or style it or treat it or do anything special in that kind of way. So I was really excited to try this out because I have been needing to provide my hair with some extra care, and this is doing just that. So I'm really happy with this so far. It also smells really nice. It smells very floral. What I'll do is I'll apply it to the ends of my hair while it's still damp, and then I braid my hair every night. I braid my hair before bed every night nowadays just because my hair is so long and I hate when it gets like all over my face. I don't like the idea of like my hair touching my face when I'm sleeping because I feel like that could be a source for breakouts. So what I've been doing is just applying this, braiding my hair, keeping it to one side while I sleep, and I've noticed a big difference. So I really like this product so far. So the next product they sent me is this Yuja Niacin Mineral 100 Brightening Sun Cream. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty nice size tube. Let's compare. So this is the Biore UV Aqua Rich moisturizer that I use on a daily basis. Let me read the description right here. So this is from the brand Some by Me. It's formulated with extracts from Yuja, lotus, as well as 14 kinds of vitamins. This sunscreen not only protects skin with its broad spectrum SPF 50, but also effectively brightens uneven skin tones, leaving a dewy and healthy looking glow. So I have always been terrified of trying new sunscreens. Back in high school when I would run cross country every day, I would just put like body sunscreen on my face, and I ended up breaking out quite a bit because of that. So I became terrified of sunscreen. Not that I didn't apply it, but I had to really search for a sunscreen that wouldn't break me out. And I did end up coming across this brand, and this has been like my saving grace ever since then. So I only ever use this sunscreen. But when I received this, I decided to give it a try. The texture sort of reminds me of the UV Rich sunscreen, but this is just a little thicker, and it also comes out white. It's a little more opaque than the Biore one. I would say like this is more of like a gel finish, and then this is more of a cream for sure. So I was a little scared to try this on, but I've been using it for the past week and I absolutely love it. It definitely leaves your skin with a very nice dewy finish, which I personally like when I'm applying like my base before makeup. I'm also interested in the fact that it brightens uneven skin tones. I have been dealing with acne scarring for the past few years. Now that my skin has cleared up, I am looking for products that will help me even my skin tone, so I'm really excited for this. I've also noticed a difference. Anytime I apply this in the morning, my skin is just like a lot brighter, feels a lot healthier, and my complexion looks more even. So I've definitely been loving this so far. I'm excited to try like other products from this brand. I'm I'm gonna show you guys a few more, but this is a great sunscreen if you guys are looking for one. It hasn't broken me out. Amazing. Lastly, I received a set from the same brand, Some by Me. This is also the Yuja Niacin collection. I actually received the 30 Days Brightening Starter Kit, which I'm very excited about. I love trying out like starter kits because it gives me an opportunity to try like everything from a little collection of a brand. So I usually purchase a starter kit when I'm looking to try new skincare products. That way I can see if a certain product works better for my skin or determine if the whole collection is what's best for my skin. So I've been using it for the past week and I've definitely noticed a difference in my skin, especially because my main concern right now is just brightening and evening my complexion. These are the 4 products that it comes with. They're all like nice travel size. This is supposedly enough for 30 days, so we'll see. I've been using it for about a week now and I still have a lot of product left. So for this particular kit, it says it's a travel size set of Some by Me's flagship Yuja Niacin products, comprises of a toner, a serum, a gel cream, and a sleeping mask, all infused with Yuja extract as well as glutathione and arbutin for a bright wrinkle-free finish. So the first step is the Yuja Niacin Brightening Toner. The toner contains 90% Yuja extract to moisturize skin, while 12 kinds of vitamins combined with lotus flower extract to soothe irritated patches. This is a really great toner. So I've just been adding these products to my skincare routine. I haven't completely neglected my previous skincare routine to try these new products out. I've sort of incorporated them into my skincare routine. So what I'll do is after I apply my first toner is I'll put this one on top. I just like pour a little into my hand and then I just dab it onto my face. And then next I go in with the second step, which is the Blemish Care Serum. And it says that this serum is infused with 82% Yuja extract, which absorbs quickly into the skin to leave it fully hydrated and glowing. I've definitely noticed that with this product. My skin looks a lot more plump than it normally does. And I've had a couple problem areas on my cheeks because of mask knee. With the face mask that we've been wearing outside, I've definitely started developing breakouts like along my cheekbone, which is really bothersome, especially when you like to wear makeup and put on like blush and highlight and all of that, because you can really see the texture. So I've noticed that this is a really great product to help combat not only like active breakouts but acne scarring as well. I've had a couple breakouts on my cheek right here and I just like dab a little on at night and I've already noticed a big difference. Like the pimples that I've had on my cheeks have gone away really quickly, so I definitely attribute it to this product. And this also smells really nice. All the products smell like lemon, one of my favorite scents. I will go in with a couple other serums that I use in my skincare routine, and then I apply the Brightening Moisture Gel Cream. Now it says that this gel cream contains 90% Yuja extract for moisture, 10 kinds of vitamins to revitalize tired skin, and glacial water to produce an instant cooling effect. Wow, now I know that that's why this feels very nice and soothing on the skin. So I prefer gel creams over like super thick heavy creams for a nighttime moisturizer. It's because I have oily skin, and even though I do want to maintain hydration and to put some more life back into the skin, especially at night, I feel like gel creams just don't break me out. So I've been using this gel cream on top of my Trader Joe's Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer, and I think that these two work really well together. Just gives me that extra pump of moisture. And then lastly, on top of every single product that I use in my nighttime skincare routine, I apply the Brightening Sleeping Mask. I freaking love sleeping masks. I think that they just add extra hydration to the skin and you wake up just looking super plump and moisturized. So it says that this sleeping mask hydrates and nourishes skin with a potent cocktail of 70% Yuja extract, Aquasil, fructan, as well as 10 kinds of vitamins. I also use the Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis 80 sleeping mask, which I also really like. I think that this one definitely focuses on brightening while the other one focuses on moisturizing, because when I've been waking up, my skin has been looking a lot brighter than it normally does. Lately, I've been struggling with very dull looking skin, and I think that has to do with the fact that I'm stuck indoors all the time. I haven't been getting as much vitamin D as I would like to. These products are definitely helping me achieve that bright looking skin and also evening my skin tone. I can honestly say that I love all the products that I've been using thus far. Even though I've only been using them for a week, I will keep you guys updated because I personally have noticed a difference in my skin. If you guys would have seen my skin like 2 weeks ago, I was looking a bit crazy. I think that my skin just looks a lot brighter. What I've also been doing though is using a jade roller. So after I've applied all the products, usually before I put on the sleeping mask, I'll just go in with a jade roller, just roll my face in an upwards motion. I've noticed that it's helped reduce like the puffiness in my face, as well as help these products seep into the skin better. And then I'll just go in with this on top. And honestly, I think that that has helped my skin tremendously. It's really important to protect your skin, not only from the sun, but from other exposures in life. Because I know that we're always on our phones and our laptops and watching TV. I've been struggling with that a lot lately, especially because I haven't been going outside. And I think my skin has definitely been affected by this quarantine, not only my mental health, but just like my physical body as well. So I think it's really important to take care of that, whether it's eating a better diet, getting exercise, and using good skincare products. So I will leave all of the products that I talked about in the description box below, along with links to everything, as well as my coupon code. So if you guys are interested in trying any of these products, feel free to check out the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at JQBU8. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.